Hi, I'm Harris from Grow Life. Today, I'd like to touch upon something really important in everyone's life. It is a concept of reaching for our dreams, or in other words, an important part of every dream that is achieved is the crucial aspect of failure. How much importance do we give for the word failure? Most of us believe speaking about failure is something that we are not very comfortable about. Now, failure is a matter of perspective. Let's assume there is a mountain to climb. Let's say it's a pretty tall mountain. The summit is quite high. So, eventually, someday, some person may reach the top of that mountain, or the summit as you call it. Once that person reaches there, one of the most important things to realize is how easily or how much effort did that person have to take to reach the top of that particular mountain. What is mostly forgotten, except for those who are very graceful, is how many people before them managed to actually make an attempt to climb the very same mountain and failed. And every time every person tried to climb that same mountain, tried to get to the top of the mountain. Obviously, everybody's dream and aspiration is to reach the top of the mountain. So every time some person tried, and in spite of the best shot failed to reach the top of the summit. When they reach that particular, let us say, a particular level of the mountain, let's say we can call it a notch or a ledge, that person unwittingly creates a much more easier capacity for the person following them to reach that space. That is something where the mind is very powerful. It breaks certain boundaries. Now, when someone has reached, let's say, 3/4 or half of the mountain, for the next person climbing, there is some magic to it that causes the person who comes thereafter finds it a lot more easier to reach halfway stage of the mountain. It could be the experience, it could be the expertise, it could be knowledge that's transferred, whatever it is, a whole lot of things get transferred. Now, when these things get transferred, the new person, whoever it may be, takes from or draws from the experience of the person before him or her. So when this happens, the path to the top becomes a lot more easier. So every single person who has tried to attempt climbing that particular mountain actually ends up carving a little more easier equation for the person who finally reaches the summit. So if somebody finally succeeds, it is a celebration of the success of the efforts of everybody along, obviously the person included, up till such time who attempted to climb the mountain. Everybody who reached at various stages of the mountain has been able to create value for the person who finally reaches the top of the summit. So likewise, in our lives, a lot of us perceive success or failure as something that completely devastate certain people. I think it should not be deemed as failure. I think what we need to consider it as something, it is an experience, something that teaches us that we need to strive harder, or we have broken some boundaries or realms of life. So, failure, as I said earlier, is a matter of perspective. It is not, it cannot be taken in the literal sense that just because I didn't reach the top of the mountain, I failed, or he or she failed. It means, it goes to say that we have cut a notch or a ledge to the final summit, so that we in turn made the life of someone thereafter who's aiming to scale the same summit much more easier. So failure is not a bad word. Unfortunately, a lot of us believe that failure is something that we need to feel devastated about. It is not. It needs to be something that we need to treat as experience, not just for us, for the person who's coming next. So every step of the way, every person's attempt or effort makes the ride to the top easier. So please do understand, next time you make an effort, next time you try to scale something or achieve something and it doesn't work your way, it definitely doesn't mean it's the end of the world. It may just be the mark of a fresh beginning. Thank you so very much. Have a lovely day. Life is all about keeping on trying and never giving up. Perseverance is the key word. Intensity is another key word. I will stop my video here with this. Wish you all a lovely day. Have a great evening. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and comment. Comments do wonders for my morale, and the more feedback I get, hopefully the better I become. Harris, Grow Life,